Hey guys, so I just left the David's Bridal preview and now I'm at the David's Bridal store on 25th Street because the team told me that my pictures from my shoot with them a few months ago are actually in the store, so I'm here to try and find them and I can't wait to see what it looks like. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like it has been forever since I've done a proper vlog and chatted with you guys. There are a couple of reasons. Things have just been so insanely busy. I've been a little bit overwhelmed, and so when that happens, YouTube kind of falls to my last priority. But the other reason that's kind of crazy is during Fashion Week, you'll notice I did not do a Fashion Week YouTube vlog this year, which is rare for me. My vlogging camera was lost/stolen during Fashion Week, which was crazy and very overwhelming and very sad too. At one of the presentations I attended, my camera was unfortunately left behind, and I, contacted the brand and they contacted the building, and it was, a Fashion Week event. It was not open to the public or anything like that, but I still never found my camera. So whoever found it took it, and I hope they're using it and putting it to good use and loving it the way I did. I wasn't even so much, obviously I was really sad about losing the camera, but what I was the most sad about was the memory card that was on the camera, because I had filmed two really great videos for you guys. I did, one was a 73 questions type Vogue video, which I love, and then the other video was actually a behind the scenes on my campaign shoot for my new brand. So I lost all that footage. It is gone into the universe, but I have to remind myself, and one of my biggest reminders in life and in my career and in everything I do is that everything happens for a reason. So I don't know what the reason is yet that my camera was lost/stolen. I don't know the reason, but everything happens for a reason and I have to remind myself of that. So yeah, that's where we're at. That's the update, and I'm gonna work on vlogging more and just doing daily and weekly vlogs. That is the update. Sorry for the long rant. I'm in this dress because I just filmed some TikToks and I was unboxing some fun pieces I got in the mail on TikTok. So I thought I have stuff kind of like semi-messy right now all over my closet room, but I thought I'd show you some of the things that I got and some of the things that I'm excited about. I think that's right here. I'm going to show you these because I just did a TikTok about them and I think that they're really fun. They're these shoes from Kurt Geiger, and I keep calling them my scrunchy shoes because look at this. Like, this is literally a scrunchie on a shoe, and I love it. I tried them on for the video, and they look so good. They're so flattering. Honestly, best when styled with a dress rather than, I think, with a pair of pants, because obviously you can wear heels with pants. But I think the way this, like, what I'm calling the scrunchie sits, if you put it on with a pair of pants, it would look a little odd. So it looks best when styled with a dress. And they also sent me this fabulous rainbow bag, which I feel like is really fun, worn with the shoe. Just filmed a video with these boots and they're so fun. I just kept kicking my feet around. They're so fabulous. These are from Stuart Weitzman. They sent me a little gift. These are so fun. Love the fringe. I think they're fabulous. I just keep going like this and then I keep going like this in the video on TikTok. I'm gonna see how much of it I leave in. What's this? Okay, let's see what this is. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited about this. This is a package from the Diane von Furstenberg team, and they reached out and asked if they could send me something, and ooh. Of course. Oh my gosh, I love. Ooh, this would be great with the new boots. Love. Okay. So, it is an iconic Diane von Furstenberg wrap dress. I mean, it doesn't get more iconic than that. I don't even think I, before this moment, owned a Diane von Furstenberg wrap dress. How could you not? This is iconic. Okay, I'm gonna have to film one more TikTok after this because this is fabulous. A boot dress. I think that'll look really good together. So, I'm gonna go film another TikTok with my new Diane von Furstenberg dress, and tomorrow I have a busy day in the city, so I think I'm gonna try my best to vlog all day and then most likely end the vlog after that. So, I will see you guys soon.